Hello friends, let's learn sound of animals. Dog,
Barks.
cat,
Mews.
rat,
Squeaks.
cow,
Moose.
horse,
Neighs.
crow,
Caws.
duck,
Quacks.
owl,
Hoots.
snake,
Hisses.
monkey,
Chatters.
bear,
Grunts.
elephant.
Trumpets.
Follow for more videos. Please like, share and subscribe.